Hey guys, what's going on? A lot has happened since my last Animal Crossing video, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot has happened in the game of Animal Crossing. Not much has been going on in my real life, as usual. Nothing's changed there. The last video I did a photo shoot in Animal Crossing. I thought it would be so much fun to do a part 2, and luckily for us, Animal Crossing has bestowed upon us the gift of Zipper. Now, if you don't know who Zipper is, he is a bunny that was sent. I don't even know who sent him, to be honest with you. I need to talk to that person. So he shows up in my town one morning talking about, I gotta find eggs, I gotta do DIYs, I gotta craft all of this stuff. I'm like, I'm still trying to pay off my loan of like 15 million bells for like an extra shoe rack in my house on Animal Crossing from Tom Nook, and you want me to go now find 7,000 eggs that you hid in the ground? So when Zipper shows up to your town, everything changes. You know, usually when you go fishing, you get a sea bass probably, because we all know we're getting the same fish over and over again. But no, when Zipper shows up, now you're getting a water egg. That instead of getting the normal items that you usually get to make money, you're getting the eggs to make the crafts and the DIYs. It's not fun anymore. Another thing that has drastically changed is the volume in which you receive floating presents in the sky. Now usually I used to be really excited when I saw these, and now I dread my life. I'm like, God, another one? Oh my gosh, literally every 50 seconds you get a present in the sky floating around. You gotta pop the balloon, you gotta stop what you're doing, gotta collect, and it just ends up being an egg. And it's like, I need to pay my bills in this game. So those are the things that have changed since Zipper's appearance. Now look, I can't hate the guy, he's cute. I'd say he's a creepy, shadowy figure that lurks around, follows me around everywhere, and is really excited when he finally finds me. So a stalker, yeah. The first shot I had was her on this bridge, kind of overlooking all the cherry blossoms. I actually had to dig up and then relocate some of my trees so that they would fill the background. So when I took the picture, it would look a little bit more full, lots of cherry blossoms. And I planted roses. You guys, I tried everything to make this nice, even though I'm not like the best designer. And going with this cherry blossom theme, I actually set up a little, I don't know, like a fruit stand. I don't even know. You guys, I tried so hard to make cute setups, but I didn't have enough items. And I had the model walk back and forth, kind of hide behind the trees in the foreground. And we got some really, really cute shots. Okay, the next one, I kind of dressed it up as like a Victorian queen, princess. This is probably all historically inaccurate. I'm back at my house. I kind of put some random items in there, and I took a shot. And I got some nice glare from the mirror. I really tried to be as creative as possible. You guys, I'm not an interior designer. I'm not good at any of this. I tried my best, so I hope you guys like the shot. So the next few photos were heavily inspired by Zipper the bunny. I think I speak for everyone when I say that he has changed the lives of many on Animal Crossing, for the worst. So I thought, why not use the crafts that were pushed upon us involuntarily and create a really cute setup using all of the eggs and all the colors, shoot it at golden hour. So I created a little section in my island. I placed all the items there, kind of set it up, moved it around until I found something that was cute. And I started taking pictures during golden hour. I thought the light at the time really complemented the colors and made them pop. And I got this really cute aerial shot of my model basically sleeping on the egg bed. And this is one of my favorite shots, actually. Okay, so the next one, I don't know if you guys know this, but I love ghosts in Nintendo games, okay? Xbox and all that creepy like killer ghost stuff. No, I don't like that. I like the cute little cartoon, sweet ghost. Hey, well, I'll help you, you know, find your grandma. You know, that kind of ghost. So in the game, they have a character named Wisp. He's a little ghost. He's so cute. He doesn't know that he's a ghost, which, I mean, that's adorable. I just love the guy. So I definitely wanted to do a photo shoot with him. The first time I saw him, he was actually in the perfect spot. I found him one night on my island, and it's like it was meant to be. He was ready for it. We got the studio lights, everything was set up, and the moon was in the perfect spot. It was at night in the forest, kind of creepy. Casper and Wendy, you guys had your moment. It was good. You guys had a couple good movies, but now it's Jesse and Wisp. I'm not scared of Wisp the ghost at night in the creepy forest, but who I am scared of is Zipper. It's just somebody that you can't trust. I mean, to your face, he's positive, he's jumping around, he's happy to see you. And then when you look the other way, he shows his true colors. He's like exhausted of being around. He's like, oh my God, I'm tired of this. He's like out of breath. He's like, oh, you know what I mean? So is it an act? Tell us the truth, Zipper. How do you really feel? Do you always want to be walking around, creeping in the woods, you know, following me around outside, doing yoga with the rest of my villagers? I don't know why everyone's been doing yoga. No one invites me. The villagers in my town are healthier than I am in my real life. So I was at a friend's island and noticed he had this giant floating moon. It was so cool. It was so attention grabbing, and I was like, where did you get this from? I need to use this for pictures. It would be so cool. And he actually let me borrow it. He's so amazing. He was just like, yeah, I'll just send it to you. So I actually had her in front of the moon. So it just looks really cool, and against, you know, the blue sky, like the dark blue sky with this yellow moon. It's a very nice contrast that pops out. I took some in the forest. I took some near the water. I mean, I did so many pictures with this moon. So thanks, Gabby, for letting me use your giant moon, and I really hope you guys like the final pictures. One of the last photo shoots I did really sums up my Animal Crossing experience, which is wishing on stars. Now, okay, in this game you can look up into the sky, and if you see a shooting star, you have to press a button and then you can make a wish on a star. And one night, I mean, I wished on like 80 stars that night. I don't know where all these shooting stars came from. I think God felt bad for me, and he's like, let's give her give her something a little bit, you know. So I made a couple of wishes. I wished for new car, Mercedes. Can I get 2 of those? Can I get the mortgage paid? Tom Nook, just get rid of him from their island. Is that okay with you? Yeah, he can go somewhere. There's a lot of islands. It's fine. He'll find somewhere. Can you put me down for a castle? You guys got any of those? Just a whole neighborhood actually with just those. Yeah, an island. Can I get an island? Can I get a zoo? Because I was watching Tiger King, and you know, like everybody seems to have a zoo. So I definitely want one of those. A giant pool with a water slide. Can you X out all that? I just want toilet paper, to be honest with you. I ran out 2 weeks ago. So in between the major shots, I went around my island, took pictures of and with my villagers. You know, some of them were sleeping, some of them were collecting wood, eating lollipops. Eating sandwiches. You guys know I love sandwiches. So I went around the island taking those pictures. Some difficulties I had were Zipper literally following me everywhere. The crack of dawn he was up, following me out of my house, following my villagers. One time I caught a fish, and then I turned around. And he's there to congratulate me. He's over there jumping, all happy. You know, you can't even hate the guy because he's over there like just being positive. But at the same time, what do you do? It's 1 o'clock in the morning, Zipper. Why are you still here? I don't need another sky egg. I just don't. I have 20 of them in my inventory. I got 20 more dumped outside near the ocean. I got 20 more. I left them outside of Renee's house because you know she has storage space. I am running out of room for these eggs. I don't have any more space. One of my villagers, Renee, has been singing quite a lot. Not really sure why. She just randomly just started singing in the middle of the plaza. And actually at one point all my other villagers they all chimed in. I guess they're hosting American Idol auditions, and I had no idea. Maybe Tom Nook is like the judging panel, just one person. So use the tag AC Photo Challenge to share your pictures of your photo shoot in Animal Crossing if you end up doing it. And please let me know which photo was your favorite. Did you guys like the moon picture? Did you guys like the Easter egg setup? I'm really curious to know. So leave your thoughts down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be healthy, be safe, and I'll see you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to do another one. I don't know. Is this too much? You guys can just let me know. Okay, see you guys.